give instructions to all the BRTs and officials to monitor the learning process through online, as well as that program contents are telecast through Kalvi TV. Before the schools reopening, that BRTs and all officials and HMs, teachers are creating WhatsApp groups. Through WhatsApp group and online classes, that contents are reached to the students, and also that some review and test through online also conducted. After that, government has given permission to conduct exams and as well as some the talent exams in schools. So in that situations, government gave clear SOP, standard operating procedures, to maintain the campus and school premises. So first we gave the instruction to clean the campus for a long time, that schools are closed and as well as the classrooms are closed. In that period, that all officials take full efforts to clean the campus 100% without any bushes and trees and other dust-free rooms. Toilets are maintained properly. That it should be checked out by a checklist. After that, that government has given permission to open the schools. Before open the schools, the government instructed to conduct a parent opinion meeting. In that parent opinion meeting, that parents are given, most of the parents given first yes to open the schools. But some of the parents are some doubts. What are the safety and students aspects, health care should be taken by the department. In that situations, we gave full clarification to all the parents. Government give full instructions how to maintain the campus, how the classes are conducted, and the norms to be followed in the school premises. Especially first thing is that the entire campus should be disinfected by the local body authorities as well as the government school administrative authorities twice a day, before the school opening and end of the school closing hours. Then the day of school opening days, students are permitted with opinion, the permission, opinion from the consent letters with the parent. In the entry points, we can put thermal scanners. First, screening the students' temperatures, then sanitizers in the premises. That the thermal scanner temperatures also registered in the registers. In case any fluctuations are above 100 Fahrenheit, that students should be take care and give them proper instructions to take treatments, or otherwise closely monitored by the health department. Then to maintain the social distance, the classrooms are restricted 1:25 in each classrooms. Usually the classroom contain minimum 40, 50. That entire classes sit in a single room. But due to that COVID lockdown and that plus the COVID and the SOP instructions, 25 students per classes. Teachers also, on that basis, teachers are instructed to follow all the social distance norms in the classrooms. After the first 2 to 3 days, for 1 week, not 2 to 3 days, 1 week we are not conducting any classes or content teaching. Only give counselings to students how to tackle this psychological efforts during this COVID-19 period. Also, they are not worried about that exams and as well as the burden of the syllabus. The days they are passed in the school home also, that should be give counselings for all students for 2 to 3 days closely. Then gradually we started the lessons in the schools. In all the schools, we strictly follow this SOP without any deviations. So all parents and as well as media persons also very much appreciated our efforts taken by the government as well as all the department peoples in these situations. Some NGOs partners like you also give support hands to our side for maintaining these situations. Especially some local the teachers are trained, engaged with the training like that. Your zero investment trainings, fundamental literacy and numeracy trainings, and other trainings are through online. So teachers always maximum they are engaged after June maximum the online trainings, as well as they are get a very valuable time for in these situations. It is very useful for the students during that school after opening. That very much teachers are appreciated that you are a part of trainings and as well as that motivation given by the NGOs. So some NGOs give touch-free hand wash also given by the Away Trust. With that help, the students are enter the school without touching any tab or without touching the tabs or anything. They are washing their hands with the help of paddling that water as well as the soap solutions, etc. BRTs are giving maximum efforts to monitor the schools, everything, and also the teachers' training sites. And the district coordinators also continuously monitoring that training progress and our number of participants. They are motivated the teachers in all the sites. After that, the government also given some health department support, also given maximum health department supports. Health department screening all school students thoroughly with the health teams. Also, government gives some tablets to students for that improving their immunity powers, like zinc tablets and multivitamin tablets. 10 tablets are each students supplied by the health department. These are all the steps taken by that government also, that it should be strictly followed by us, as well as we are motivated very well by our district authorities also, and our state government principal secretary and commissioners and directors all are regularly watching this and get the reports through online MES portal, and conducting video conference through Zoom and as well as the Zoom, Google Meet, Teams. Through the Teams we get instructions, as well as we are appreciated and monitored by the steps taken by the people in the COVID lockdown period. After that, the classes and everything, the procedures going on in the school campuses. And also some IAS officials also appointed to monitor the district level arrangements as well as the support given by the government. That also shared by our side. But Perambalur district, that officials also very much appreciated. Perambalur district has a maximum efforts. You are arranged everything in a perfect manner. So follow this. It is very good effort we are taking that time. Now that government also reduced the syllabus for students for 60% of the syllabus only for this year due to this COVID lockdown period. Days are very less comparative with the normal academic years. So that syllabus reduced is also very much helpful for us to give the students very much thorough in the minimum period days that instructions also given. Teaching learnings are now going very smoothly because students are get confident because they are 100% safely in that school campuses. That also we are monitoring by BRTs and BUOs, DOs, and all the teams are. We are giving special efforts to schools in watching this. First of all, I thank the Aurobindo Society to give this training to our teachers, because the teachers are very much interested in create learning model, teaching models. But so far they think that models are created only by investing more money that is there in the mind. But Aurobindo Society in the zero investment program teachers are creating all the things within the campus, they are available. So I'm also attending one training program that teachers are creating more models also that it will be useful for correlated with that curriculum in the primary levels. So it is very, very useful one thing for the teachers also, as well as that students also very much motivated to the students themselves creating these models with the help of teachers. Just a second. Through this program, the teachers are sharing that that models you prepared in that workshop. It was displayed in the last day of the program. All the lesson plans as well as models are known by all the teachers. Also, as well as I think it is some of our teachers are got national awards also in that achieved that national awards. So one of the teachers also attended that program conducted by your Aurobindo Society in Delhi last year before COVID. So the teachers are sometimes they are having more ideas, but they have no platform to explore the things that develop the things. But through your the Aurobindo Society, they are all the ideas are maximum reached in national level also. Sometime minimum at least our district level. We are creating maximum. The teachers also confident that we are also creating models as well as we can minimum one model with zero investments for other lesson content based on the contents. So some of the teachers also that in that feedback that felicitation program the teachers gave the feedback that I got great opportunity to learn this through this zero investments as well as that students also benefited through this program. So they also thanks to Aurobindo Society. So we are very much thankful for your full support for this program also that create the government's teachers in maximum that confident also they have that we can teach the full content without any investments through the government as well as any ready-made models. Through your program that we are conducting a survey to identify the role model schools also, as well as the first teachers. Because so far that primary teachers are thinking that there is no need of any models or any learning aids to teach the primary students. Because they think that learning model aids are through only high-tech labs are only possible to conduct classes. But through your ZIA in the zero investment programs, primary teachers are very much confident that they are going to enter the class without any investments. Also that creating more interest in the students, but through that models. Students also that confident think that they are teaching through innovative methods. So this method, your program is very much useful for the students as well as teachers to create maximum students in the full learning and process in 100% complete. Also the teachers are very much interested to create more models through this program. So we can identify that role model schools also, that model that school teachers also give first when the training programs we are that your trainings are reflected in that other trainings also. The teachers are voluntarily come and give their learning in that in these programs. Also this should be shared with along all the teachers attending in the other trainings also. So that the initiative through taken by your organization is very much useful for us. Also creating a better and environment to learning in the schools also. That campus also very much joyful and also reading pleasant situations through these zero investments models. This program is very much, I think, very good equal chances for all students. So far we are conducting competition. In that competitions means the teacher selected only very few peoples in all competitions. That maximum students are not getting chances to even that open their mouth, open to pronounce even a single word in the classrooms. But through this your micro and the scholarship, all students are getting chances. Also that it should be given equal chances. Because teachers are sometimes they are already think that this boy is very good, this boy is very outstanding students, boys that they give the chances only for the outstanding students in the classes for all that other than other activities. So through this app means all students definitely they are participating. Sometimes even that the backbench students also giving the chances in these situations. Also sometimes that students answering first time it is out of 10 questions they get marks 5 marks means they are think that we can achieve next subject in full marks. It will be very useful because he get immediately evaluations. Through this app means they get evaluated through phone app, so that sometimes the judges are giving partiality that students is better, that students that is not better. This is also that students getting best chances through this app, as also that they are giving more getting more knowledge because they are independently thinking through this app. Suppose quiz means the team means also there one students give answer, the other students also think that we are great. But through this means all students get an equal chance. So it is very useful also that students that a very good initiative to create a better performance, improve their performance in all subjects. Through this program, the teachers are got first their potentials, give the chances to create more models, and also that they are utilizing that chances in all the learning process very pleasant manner, and also that they are getting that chances in national level platforms also. So my message is that teachers should utilize this entire training schedule, learning through this ISATI program. And also in future we create our better students in all subjects. Also we assure that the teachers follow this in entire career.
My respectful regards to everyone. I am Arul Sili, second grade teacher working in PUPS Mattam Agravaram, Huzur Union, Krishnagiri district. ZIAEA. ZIAEA seems to be an innovative name. Through this special training, we came to know how to teach and guide the children even during this period of crisis. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to respected Sir Manikandan, who is the instructor of Sri Aurobindo Society. Sir Manikandan taught us on the topics such as seeds, family, memories, and Hemapriya Chandra also taught us about preserve and spoilage. Through the guidance of Sir Manikandan, we learned new ideas in ZIAEA. ZIAEA ideas are self-created dictionary, team-based attendance, grid game, question bank, snakes and ladder, word seed, warm-up, wrong chart method, wheel game. I have a total of 44 students in my class. I am able to teach, guide and deliver these innovative ideas to my students through online classes with the help of Google Meet and WhatsApp group chat. I think I would be able to follow the same ideas for the subject of Tamil as well. Once again, I thank Mr. Manikandan and everyone.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Hello, I am Shanti C from Krishnagiri district. My education qualification is TCH, MSc Maths, BEd, BSc Physics. I am working as a secondary grade teacher in Panchayat Union Primary School, Jinnah Road, Kaveri Pattinam in Krishnagiri district, Tamil Nadu. I have 15 years of experience in my teaching field. I am interested in teaching. My district. I belongs to Krishnagiri district. It is famous for hills and mountain. The great ruler Krishnadevaraya was ruled our district. So we call it Krishnagiri. Giri means hills or mountain. Black granite hills is very famous in my district. Then KRP Dam is also located in our district. It was built by Kamarasar. About my block. In Krishnagiri district, Kaveri Pattinam is my block. In Kaveri Pattinam, our school is located on the bank of river Tenpan. It is famous for Melgova, Nippat, match industry, Peneshwara temple and regional research station. About my school. The name of my school is Panchayat Union Primary School, Jinnah Road, Kaveri Pattinam. 160 students are studying in my school. 5 teachers are working. Our school have good infrastructure facilities. Then problem area. Our school children are lack of interest in studies because due to COVID-19 pandemic. Students are afraid of COVID-19 pandemic and not showing interest in studies. Through this training, I learned ZIIEI means Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. Innovative ideas, academic and co-curricular activities, mapping ideas with state level curriculum, incorporating skills of blue taxonomy, rubric based on state level textbook, MHRD learning outcome, 21st century of life skills and inclusive classroom with neurodevelopment. Benefits of the training. Innovative Padasala training stimulated the teacher to think and act. It is based on experimental and playway method of teaching for the teacher to cater the needs of 21st century learners. Innovative Padasala curriculum tool is focused on learning should be holistic, integrated, enjoyable and engaging. It connects the classroom teaching to the outside world. It removes the role memorization also. How the trainer help us? Our trainer, Mr. Manikandan, belongs to Sri Aurobindo Society. He helps the teacher to prepare the lesson through activity-based learning and experimental-based learning. Preparation is based on skill of level of Bloom's taxonomy like remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate and create. Our trainer helps our teacher how to take online class through WhatsApp, Google Meet, etc. Solution of the problem. We made PPT based on joyful, playway, activity based, experimental based and known to unknown way. I present my ideas through online. Students can get benefit to make their needs more interesting. While implementing through online class, I struggled a lot because all the students of parents don't have Android mobile phone because lack of economic. Some parents don't know how to use Android mobile. Due to these reasons, all the students do not get opportunity to read online or offline classes. Our trainer, Mr. Manigandan sir, to fulfill our needs to improve our teaching skills. Thank you, sir. Thank you to ZIIEI. Thank you to Aurobindo Society. Thank you to HDFC Bank to arrange the program.
Hi, this is Arna Sundari. I have completed Diploma in Teacher Education and also completed MA B.Ed in Tamil. I have 8 years experience in government school. My school name is PUPS Mattamaharaharam. My school is located in Mukandapalli Panchayat and Osur block. With me, 6 teachers are working and 233 students are studying in our school. Now I am gonna talk about training. In this training, I came to know about Sri Aurobindo Society and what is GI and Innovative Pathasala, and I know about ACC skill levels of Bloom's taxonomy, and we discuss about 4 lesson plan, different types of method using Innovative Pathasala app. In this training, I learned how to handle students in pandemic situation. I am connecting my students in WhatsApp group and Google Meet. In this way of connection is very useful to our student. Our trainer name is Mr. Manigandan sir. He is a good trainer. His points are very reachable to me, and also he took class very interesting. I am very much interested about 21st century life skills, new ideas and inclusive classroom health in the pedagogy. Finally, I thank Sri Aurobindo Society for their efforts to convey our innovative ideas among the teachers, and I also thank HDFC Bank for financial support. Thank you, Manigandan sir, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Jayalakshmi, second grade teacher. I have completed Diploma in Teacher Education and Bachelor of Literature in Tamil. Then also completed in Bachelor of Education in Bharatidasan University. I have 8 year experience. My school name is Panchayat Union Primary School, Pathakota. My school is located in Bijayapalli Panchayat and Sulagiri block and Krishnagiri district. My school have totally 118 students and 3 teachers. My students are coming from rural area. Most of the parents are farmers and not educated. Now I am going to talk about this training. When this training, I know about Sri Aurobindo Society and what is GI and Innovative Pathasala. Then how to handle the online classes to the students, and I know about ACC and skill levels of Bloom's taxonomy. Then we discussed about 4 lesson plans in different types of method using Innovative Pathasala app. In this training, I learned by how to handle the students in this pandemic situation because of COVID-19 lockdown. So I connect my students with a WhatsApp group and Google Meet. This type of way is very useful to our students. My trainer name is Mr. Manigandan, and his way of interaction is very pleasant and motivation to me. Thank you all.
வணக்கம். எனது பெயர் சி. ஜூலியட் செல்வமணி. நான் எம்ஏ பிஎட் தமிழ் பயின்றுள்ளேன். நான் இடைநிலை ஆசிரியராக 15 வருடம் பணியாற்றி வருகிறேன். எனது மாவட்டமும் ஒன்றியமும் கிருஷ்ணகிரி ஆகும். நான் ஊராட்சி ஒன்றிய தொடக்கப்பள்ளி ஆலப்பட்டி என்னும் கிராமத்தில் பணிபுரிந்து வருகிறேன். எனது பள்ளியில் 104 மாணவர்கள் உள்ளனர். மதிப்பிற்குரிய திரு மணிகண்டன் மற்றும் ஹேமபிரியா எங்களுக்கு பயிற்றுனர்களாக வந்தனர். இதில் திரு மதிப்பிற்குரிய மணிகண்டன் அவர்கள் முதலில் அரவிந்தா சொசைட்டி உருவான விதம் பற்றியும் அதன் பணிகள் நோக்கங்கள் பற்றியும் விளக்கமாக கூறினார். கல்வியில் ஏற்படும் இடர்பாடுகளை களைவதற்குரிய வழிமுறைகளையும் விளக்கி கூறினார். மேலும் கல்வியில் புதிய உத்திகளை பயன்படுத்தி மாணவர்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு கற்கலாம் என்பதையும் விளக்கினார். மேலும் கோவிட்-19 போன்ற பொது முடக்க காலகட்டத்தில் மாணவர்களை எவ்வாறு கற்றலில் ஈடுபடுத்துவது என்பது பற்றிய பல வழிமுறைகளை கூறினார். இதில் ஜூம் மீட், கூகுள் மீட், ஃபேஸ்புக், வாட்ஸ்அப் பற்றி எடுத்து கூறினார். இனமெண்டா பாத்தசாலா ஆப் மூலம் 4 லேர்னிங் அவுட்கம்ஸ் பற்றியும் 21 சென்ச்சுரி ஸ்கில்ஸ் பற்றியும் நிதானமாகவும் தெளிவாகவும் விளக்கமளித்தார். இதன் மூலம் நாங்கள் கற்பித்தலில் முன்னேறுவதற்கும் எங்களுடைய திறமைகளை வளர்த்து கொள்வதற்கும் வழிவகை செய்தது. எந்த ஒரு சூழ்நிலையும் சவால்களை எதிர்கொள்வதற்கும் இந்த பயிற்சி எங்களுக்கு உறுதுணையாய் இருந்தது. மேலும் பாடக்குறிப்பு எப்படி எழுதுவது என்பதையும் மாணவர்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு சொல்லிக் கொடுப்பது என்பது பற்றியும் படத்தின் மூலம் விளக்கி காட்டினார். இது 6 வாரங்கள் நடைபெற்றது. இதில் பல கேள்விகள் கேட்கப்பட்டு பதிலும் கொடுக்கப்பட்டது. எங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் மிகவும் பயனுள்ளதாக இருந்தது. இதை ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்த HDFC பேங்க், அரவிந்த் சொசைட்டி, ZIIEI புரோகிராம் சம்பந்தப்பட்டவர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எங்களது நன்றிகளை பாராட்டுகளையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். நன்றி.
இந்த ஜீரோ இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் கிளாஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் டீச்சர்ஸ் நல்லா பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அதுலேருந்து வந்திருக்கிற அவங்களுடைய இதில் அவங்களோட கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதை பார்க்கும்போது அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து நல்ல யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது சார். ஆக்சுவலாக அவங்களுடைய இதை பார்க்கும்போது ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு நல்ல இன்வால்மெண்ட் இருக்கிற மாதிரியும் 100% அட்டெண்டன்ஸை மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கான ஒரு வாய்ப்புகள் எல்லாம் அதில் இருக்கு. ப்ளஸ் அதில் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராமில் பார்க்கும்போது லேர்னிங் த்ரூ கேம்ஸுங்கிறது அதுவும் இப்போ எஜுகேஷனல் சிஸ்டத்துக்கு உகந்ததாக இருக்குது சார்.
ஓகேங்க சார்.
அதே மாதிரி அந்த ஹெல்த்தி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் பெட்டர் லேர்னுங்கிறது அதுவும் பார்க்கும்போது அந்த பஃபே சிஸ்டம் கொண்டு வந்திருந்தது பார்க்கும்போது டைம் கூட நம்ம ஸ்பேர் பண்ணலாம், டிசிப்ளினை நம்ம மெயின்டைன் பண்ண மாதிரி ஆக்சுவலி ட்ரைனிங் எடுத்ததுக்கு அவங்களுடைய ஆக்சுவலா சார் இந்த ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த கன்சென்ட் அந்த டீச்சர்ஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் அந்த ஒரு அவங்களுடைய பிஹேவியர் சேஞ்சு கூட இதுல நிறைய வந்திருக்கு சார். இப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணலாங்கிற ஒரு ஐடியா பிஹேவியர் சேஞ்ச் வந்து அதில் ஏற்பட்டிருக்கு. அதை வந்து இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணும்போது தான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு அது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. நம்ம அந்த நம்பர் ஆஃப் டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து அது கூட இன் ஃபியூச்சரில் கொஞ்சம் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணி காட்டலாம். இப்போ நம்ம லெஸ் இதில் தான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அது கொஞ்சம் பரவலாக பண்ணும்போது ஆல் டீச்சர்ஸ் கூட கேன் ஃபாலோ திஸ் ஐடியாஸ். வென் வி ப்ரொவைட் தட் money we are giving support, we will make the students 100%, madam. Then and there we have to what's called motivate the students through by this way, madam. Then we are providing the notebook and pencil, that is useful, madam. We
Right,
are reward means we are providing, that means for the notebook and pen pencils, that type zero investment in the effective scheme பார்க்குறப்போ இட்ஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் சார். இதை வந்து நம்ம பரவலா மற்ற அனைத்து டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கும் கொடுக்குறதா இன்னும் நல்லா பெட்டரா அதனுடைய ரிசல்ட் இருக்குங்கிறது என்னுடைய கருத்து சார். நம்ம பர்டிகுலர் நம்ம நீலகிரி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் 48 டீச்சர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அதுல 22 டீச்சர்ஸ் இன்னும் ரொம்ப இன்னோவேட்டிவா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இது வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியணும்னா நம்ம ஒரு காமன் டீச்சர்ஸ் இதுல தான் பண்ணணும் சார். 100% டீச்சர்ஸ் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணும்போது எல்லா ஸ்கூலுக்கும் அது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு சார்.
ஓகேங்க சார்.
ஏன்னா இந்த 22 பேர் வச்சுக்கிட்டு மற்றவங்க சொல்ல சொன்னாலும் சொல்லிடுவோம். இவங்களே ஆர்பியாவோ நம்ம பண்றதானா சொல்லுங்க. அது மாதிரி பண்ணும்போது டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஃபுல்லாவோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் அதை ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ண முடியல. இது வந்து நம்ம டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து இன்னோவேட்டிவா திங்க் பண்றதுக்கான ஒரு வாய்ப்பை கையில் கொடுத்துருக்கோம் சார். அவங்களால வந்து ஃபியூச்சர்ல ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுடைய நீங்க சொன்ன அட்டண்டன்ஸ், நாட் ஒன்லி அட்டண்டன்ஸ், அவங்களுடைய பிஹேவியர் சேஞ்ச் கூட இதுல வந்திருக்கு. இதுல அவங்களுடைய லைஃப் ஓரியன்டா இருக்கிறதுனால இது ரொம்பவும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு சார். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு டே பை டே அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன நம்ம சொல்லணும்னு நினைக்கிறோமோ அத்தனையுமே இதுல வருது சார். புக்கையும் கூட ஒரு தடவை பார்த்துருக்கேன். இட் இஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல்.